guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is pop choy and roast yam. Keep watching the video and I'm going to show you how I prepare my roast yam and pop choy, and trust me, it was delicious. So whenever you're doing your roast yam, ensure that you slice, like use the knife and slice across, or push the knife inside and out to ensure that whenever it is roasting, the steam is coming through. Normally we roast the yam outside the traditional way, but I'm not in the position to do so. What you do in the countryside most time, you cannot do in the town side. So I use the stove inside to roast the yam. But unfortunately, it come out really good and delicious. This is the finished look of the roasted yam. So yeah, so I'm going to slice it in half so that you guys can see inside that it is cooked. And normally we put butter on it to make it more moist. So the steam is coming out. Open up. Wow, look at that. I was trying to emulate the blacks, the thing that around the yam itself, but I'm not perfect, so I try my best. And see, I put my butter on it to make it moist and nice, of course. So what I did, I'm going to use a spoon to scoop out. It was so difficult at a time. Like if it's too cold, it's going to be really difficult to scoop out. Delicious. So I try my best. So this is my final look. Yeah, so I scoop out some. It's not perfect, but yep, look at that. Veggie well nice and something. Yeah. hope you learned from this video, and I hope you liked this video as well. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends and families, so that whenever I post, you can